Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to hard reset your Vivo Y400 5G if you forget the password or want to a factory reset.
Step 1. Power off your phone. Press and hold the power button, then select power off. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume up power button together. Release the buttons when the Vivo logo appears. Step 3. Navigate in recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to move up down. Use the power button to select. Step 4. Perform factory reset. Select wipe data or factory reset. Confirm by selecting Yes. Confirm by selecting Yes. Step 5. Reboot your phone. Once the reset is complete, select Reboot System now. Your Vivo Y400 5G will restart with factory settings.